Hope you're doing well. Okay, today I want to show you how you can test a microwave oven. Probably, maybe you've been wondering how to do that. Now, before me, you're seeing I have a battery with me, and then I have a multimeter. Now, without a battery, it will be very difficult, if not impossible, to get results on your multimeter while testing this thing here. This is a high voltage diode that it will require a lot of volts, more volts than the multimeter can provide to test it. So if your multimeter is incapable of testing it, then you have to employ this battery here to help you to find if your diode is good or not. Okay, now here is how it works. You know very well that diodes conduct current in only one direction, so it's the forward biased. If you try to reverse the same, it shouldn't work in the first place, because that its job. It blocks current that move in the opposite direction. Okay, now first what we have to do is to know how much volts we have on this battery. Now after that, you have to connect this thing in series. It will be in series with this, with the meter. So to know that your diode is in good condition, you must get less reading than what the battery reads. So if you have 9 volts in this battery and your diode gives you a reading of 9 volts, then consider that your diode is dead or it's faulty. Because this diode, it has got a voltage drop. Since it has got high resistance with it, so definitely there is a drop there. There is always a drop there, since there is some resistance which is very high. So if you get the same voltage as the voltage on the battery, it will mean it's not working. Anything, then it's also faulty, because there will be an open circuit. Then the other thing also, it should not give you any results if you do forward biased. Okay, let's do this. Now, first of all, the one thing we need is to turn on our multimeter to DC. Okay, here we are. Now we test our battery, because one lead is already on the wire, because, okay, that's 8 volts. So our battery has got 8 volts. That's what we have. Now, let's just connect and compare our diode. We see how much we have. Now you have to make sure that the side that it has a band, it is the negative side, and this side, it's the positive side. So this is anode, this is cathode. So now what we do, we'll get this, our diode, we'll hit it on the positive terminal, and then you see we have 4.63, so we have around 3 point something that we lost here. So meaning there is a voltage drop there. So that means that our diode is pretty good. But I don't have a faulty diode here. I would show you, but simply the same. Just take note that you can use the same method that I'm using right here. Remember I told you, if this diode, if it did not give us the drop there, then we would have considered it faulty. And also, if it doesn't read anything, that's an open circuit, it's fault still. Then the other thing also, it shouldn't read in the reverse direction. Simple as that. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate your time here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you very much, and have a good time.